Okay, hello collectors, hi everyone. So today I want to unboxing and review the Honda series set. Okay, I just received it few days ago, but I still have busy with my things. So today I have free time and I will do a review, unboxing and review about this Honda series set. Okay, so if you want to bought it, I pre-order from World of Wheel or Era Hekaili. Okay, you can read the description below after this. So I will mention where I bought this set, where I pre-order this set. So I just received it few days ago. Okay, so give me time to wrap it down. Okay. So if you're new with my channel, okay, here's the name. You can search my name and subscribe. Okay, the subscribe button there. I also have an Instagram. Search Hot Wheels Storage Malaysia, and also Facebook page Hot Wheels Storage Malaysia. Okay. So it comes with a container, very nice. Okay. So try to open it first. Just open it first. Okay, it's packed nice, seal very nice. Okay, my container getting more and more. Okay, here is this. Yeah, okay, put it here. So, okay, bubble wrap it. Okay, you can see head of it. Okay. Okay, so packed very well, protected. Okay, so we arrange it according to the number. Okay, 1, 3. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Cannot stand. I just put like this. Never mind, just put it down. Okay. Okay, so there is it. The Honda series 8 piece in one set. Okay, so we have, okay, like we can see here. Focus first. Okay, as we can see, we have 1985 Honda CRX, then 1990 Honda Civic EF, then we have Honda Civic SI, another Honda Civic SI, then we have Honda Monkey Z50, Honda Racer, Honda S2000, and Honda Odyssey. Yeah, and this is the first one. Okay, card number 1, 1985 Honda CRX, okay, with a black color, gold rim with the 85 decal number and Honda. Okay, here we can see 85. Okay. It have a, it's not like a front light temper, it's just a decal there in the hood, and at the back, okay, it also don't have the tail light temper, red base. Okay, I love the rim, suitable with the black color, very nice. Okay, if you see at the back here, you can see the engine. Okay, the deck, the engine there. Okay, the driver, the dashboard there, everything very nice and very clean. Okay, I hope I can have another one so I can lose this one, so just pray for it. Then the next one, this is number 2, 1990 Honda Civic EF. Okay, so most probably collector buy this set is because of this model. Okay, this model, yeah, definitely. Okay, so it come in the yellow color with the Honda logo here, Hot Wheel logo, red and black stripe. Okay, black hood, sunroof. We don't have the front light tempo, and also tail light tempo, simples, black base. Okay, very nice, love it. Okay, I'm gonna go, I will lose this one because I have another one, so it's on the way. Okay, I just get it with a cheaper price, so probably I will lose this one because I have another one. So I will review it few days from now lah. Okay, until I receive the second one. Okay, only this one. Nice. This is number 2. Okay, number 3 is Honda Civic SI. Number 3. Okay, it also have a Honda logo there. Here, Hot Wheel with a stripe. Okay, red stripe. It don't have a taillight tempo. It don't have a front light tempo, sorry, and also a taillight tempo. Simple black base in a orange and red color. Nice. It's red. I think it's more to orange, probably. Okay, so this is number 3. I have this one. I will make a loose. This one I get it from pack at Toys R Us a month ago, before I get this complete set. So I will lose it and I will review it together with this one. Okay. Number 4. Okay. Also Honda Civic SI, but this one is different with this one. Okay, same model but different design. Okay. So blue color. Okay, we have a sponsor here. We have Toyota, Brembo, Sparko, number 70, Honda, the Hot Wheel logo there. Okay. In front also we have the sponsor, but we don't have the front light tempo and the stripe at the from the hood to the middle. And we have, I think this, if I'm not wrong, this is GT wing. Okay, and we don't have a tail light tempo. Very bad. Black base. But I don't like the rim. I think it's not suitable with this Honda. I prefer like this one. Okay, and I have also this one. Okay, I probably will be lose it and review with the EF and another Honda SI. Because I have this one. This one I win a bid, I think 1.5 months a long time ago, okay, with a cheaper price, so I get it. Okay, normally like a page price lah, but a bit higher than that one. Okay, but never mind, I still have one and I will lose it. Okay, number 5. Okay. Number 5 is Honda Monkey Z50. Okay, in the red color. Okay, this is a motorcycle. Simple, very nice. Okay, if mainline, I have 3 of it. I have the yellow, red, and blue color. Okay, 3 already complete already. So plus this one. Okay, another one, but this one is from a Honda series set. So very nice, nothing to complain about this one. The detail very smart. Okay, I love it. And number 6 is Honda Racer. Okay, if you guys want to know, this set, this design, Honda Racer will be pack warmer. Why? I don't know. You ask yourself why it become pack warmer. Okay, for me, for my own reason, the design. See, okay, the design. Big engine, big edge, exhaust. Okay, like here is driver 1, driver 2 separated with the engine in the middle. Okay, how they want to communicate, maybe with a, I don't know. You guys think it how, with a red base. Okay, so if you want to, if you guys really love this one, okay, you can go any toy shop. Okay, for example like Toys R Us. Okay, that I know lah, they have a lot of this one. Okay, hanging at the pack. Nobody want it. Okay, normal. Collector always be a collector. Okay? Pack warmer will always be a day. Okay, never mind, I will keep it. For loose, I'm not sure yet. I will let you know. Okay, if I lose it, I will try to review it. Okay, and the last 2, number 7 is Honda S2000 or Honda S2K. Okay, wow, this is why I bought this Honda Civic. Okay, I love this model. Okay, this 8 car, including the motorcycle and the Honda Racer, the most I like is this one, Honda S2K. Okay, you can see the color. I think this is the blood red, sorry, with the 10-spoke rim. Okay, see chrome color matching with the color, and we have Honda logo there. Front light tempo that you can see, and also taillight tempo. This is why I love it. Okay, and also the Honda logo there. Okay, yeah. But I don't have spare, only this one. Probably I can get it with a pack price or more cheaper than this, or RAOK from other collector if have. Okay, but never mind. If you want to sell, if I can find any seller that with a reasonable price, I will get it. Okay, for this one. Okay, number 7, I will try to make a review about this one. And last one is Honda Odyssey. Okay, number 8, Honda Odyssey. Compared to the main line, the design is very simple with no tail light tempo, front light tempo, sorry, with the bumper black, then back bumper, front bumper black, back bumper black also. There's no tail light tempo, simple, no Honda logo. Okay, with a silver color and the Honda there, Hot Wheel over here, Honda over here, and the hood is only that side. Why don't metal just paint it, the hood black, everything just like piece of it there. Yeah, not really nice for me. Okay, I don't know about you, but for me, this is my opinion. Okay, so previously in the main line Honda Odyssey, the first one, white color, very nice. Then come out again the second one with red color, also very nice. And it come out with this Honda series set. I don't know how to say it, but when I go hunting, I hunt for this one. I saw it at the pack, but I don't take it. Why? I also don't know. Okay, so I cannot make. I don't have any spare about this, so maybe I'll try to find one and try to lose it. Okay, together with the others, find another set or piece by piece. Okay, and last one, Honda Odyssey. Yeah. Okay, overall about this Honda Odyssey that I can conclude out of it. So many collector try to aim this one. Okay, but for me, this one is okay, only okay. Yeah. Normally I love this EF. Okay, but compared to this one, the S2K, I like it the most. Why? One, they have front light tempo with the Honda logos, tail light tempo, everything clean. The rim, the color is matching. Okay, compared to this one. Okay, this is my only opinion. I don't know you. If you like this one, you have your own reason. Okay, then comment below what is your reason if you love this one or this one or CRX or these two Honda Civic SI, or you are motorcycle, collect this one, or you are MPV lover, collect this one. And also they have a collector that love to collect, I can call it like a fantasy car for me in Honda series. Okay, different collector, different what they like. Okay, so any comment you can write below. Never mind, I will read it, I will accept it, everything that you comment. Okay, if you are new to this channel, in my channel, yeah, you can find my name, Kelvin Harry, subscribe. I have other videos about it. So until we meet again with other set, probably, yeah, I have made some per order, but I don't know when it will come. So when I receive the others, so I try to make a review, open it, lose it, review about it, more details. Okay, until we meet again, bye bye, and don't forget to like. Hehe.